Hey guys, Dor from MMT here, and we're just going to be talking about the new Barefoot Brothers course that's coming out in a few weeks really. It's the first week of November, so we've run this a few times before, and now we're going a little bit of a different direction. We're going more into the emotional and psychological aspects of therapy, but a lot of the same principles are there. Now, when Barefoot Brothers started, we wanted to make it a sharing group, a place where men could come and actually be themselves. Amazing concept, isn't it? You would think that that would exist in the world, that there'd be places where men can come and just actually be themselves. And here we're doing therapy, right? We're doing healing work, there's some information, we're going to do a lot of different exercises and shake some shit up, but you know, essentially coming as we are, as a bit of a sharing group. But it's really that authenticity is one of the main pieces. So what I've seen in the culture is that sometimes we have these macho men's groups, so beer, tits and footy, and then we've got on the other side, you've got, oh, we have to be soft and we're equality and fairness, and it's just it's posing. Both of those are posing. There's not a lot of fucking realness, like people just coming as themselves. Speaking as themselves. That is where we can actually connect, for one thing, and that's actually where we can get therapy done, because it's about dropping the shit, getting centered, real stuff, doing the real work, dropping that stuff. It's about getting under the squat rack, working to those hard lines, and we can't do that without radical honesty. So that is what it is about. So if you're someone who you have something coming up for you at the moment where it's some sort of pattern that you have going, a psychological pattern, a mental pattern, emotional thing, you got a pain point, something that's causing friction in your life, right? Something that's not working, it's draining your energy, taking your focus, and it's affecting your relationships or your business or other parts of your life, and you actually want to address it now, it's coming up now, and you are done with carrying that bullshit on, and you want to get into a space with other people that can help support you through that whole journey, and learn some awesome exercises and an embodied understanding of how to do therapy on yourself and take it on into your life, then this is the course for you. So here's a call to action, guys. Get on board. Barefoot Brothers, first week in November. Get involved.